Hola y buenos días. Welcome to the Daily Word Builder. Hoy vamos a explorar un poco de vocabulario that we can use con la frase por completo, which means completely, completamente, or totalmente. So this can be used with verbs. Let's take some verbs. And my first one I'm going to give you is fracasar. I'm going to give you that first because it's a little bit negative, but I love it. I love the verb fracasar. I think it sounds great. So fracaso por completo. It failed. It completely failed. It entirely failed. Fracaso por completo. Okay, I know it's not funny when that happens, but I just like the word. Bueno, let's move on to some more positive things. So you can use apoyar. Apoyar means to support. So apoyo tu idea por completo. Okay, or casi por completo, almost completely. There's un pero ahí. Okay, so apoyar. Apoyar a una persona por completo. Can you think of some ejemplos? Put them in the comments. Okay, another verb. Depender, to depend. Por ejemplo, unas personas dependen casi por completo en la ayuda extranjera. Ayuda is help or aid, and extranjera is foreign, so foreign aid. Algunas personas dependen casi por completo en la ayuda extranjera. I'm pulling faces because, of course, when a country goes in and takes all the wealth out of a nation, then the citizens of that country are, bueno, la política. Okay, let's move on and stick to the español. Desaparecer means to disappear. So un mago, a magician, un mago puede desaparecer por completo before your eyes. More seriously, el hielo is the ice. Y el hielo en el Ártico, having problems saying the word, Ártico, no es difícil. El hielo puede desaparecer por completo in el mes de septiembre, octubre, and then it might knock on and have a cascading effect. Bueno, let's have a couple more ejemplos. So renovar, simple, to renovate. Vamos a renovar la casa por completo. We're going to completely renovar la casa. And last one, let's have recuperar. That's a nice one. So recuperar is going to be to get well, isn't it? To recuperate. So vas a recuperar por completo. That's how you use the phrase por completo. I hope you've collected a few nice verbs that you might enjoy using. And nos vemos aquí mañana. Subscribe and like the video, por favor. Gracias. Hasta mañana.